So this is veranda unit 711. You have a front lanai space here. You can see a 6-top table fits very nicely right in the front. You also have the 1-car garage directly out front of your unit as well. Coming inside to the veranda, this is called the Arabella floor plan. 2 bedrooms, den, and you're going to get about 1,661 square foot. So the owner has painted the walls a different color here in the main entry area. In the kitchen, they've also painted, they've added the plantation shutters on the window. This is now more of a pastel blue in the kitchen. They did paint the cabinets. It looks like those are the original cabinets, but they are painted white. They changed out the countertops as well. You have a new sink there. So really nicely designed kitchen here. The dishwasher is probably original. The stove here would have been replaced. That's new. And then the microwave, I believe, is different than what they would have given you, as well as the fridge here. Now coming past the kitchen to the left is where we have our guest bedroom and guest bath. So back here we have the guest bedroom with the twin beds. This is the original yellow paint that the builder would have provided. They did change out the ceiling fan. And then you have a walk-in style closet. Right past the guest bedroom you have the laundry space.
How come the water heater's in here? Or do they have storage like I do? Oh, is there storage in the garage?
No, there's no storage. They just have the garage. Yeah.
Okay. So I have a storage unit, but you would have a garage. We
And we have the guest bath, and they've repainted this one. You have the singular sink, the commode, and the combination tub and shower. And they changed the countertops here to match what's in the kitchen, and painted the cabinet a light gray color there. Now here in the den, they did paint this room as well. They changed out the ceiling fixture. You do get the extra window here on the side when you have the end unit in the verandas. And then that brings us out into the main living spaces here with your dedicated spot for dining. You do have room to add bar stools here in the kitchen. We do have a dry bar area. So they did repaint the cabinet here the same color as what you see in the guest bath. Added a couple floating shelves in there, and the countertop is the same as the kitchen as well. They did add the plantation sliding shutters here for your window covering on your sliding glass doors. And then we have the master bedroom. Again, you have plantation shutters. That's a king size bed there, so you can see that fits really nice. And then back this way we have the owner's closets. So you have a walk-in style closet there. They did change the pulls here on the doors. And this is also a walk-in style closet on this side as well.
Can you take
Then
a picture of
we have the master bath.
the plates and everything, the turnkey situation?
Sure.
Okay.
Absolutely. We have a standalone shower here at the bath. We have a soaking tub. They changed out the countertops here. You have the dual sinks. They painted the cabinetry. And then you have your enclosed water closet, as well as a linen closet here. Last but not least, we have the views out of the back of the home. So this is a unique home in the sense of there's only 12 end units that are verandas that have golf membership, and this is one of them. So in the back lanai space here, you have a fan fixture that was added, the seating here, and right behind me as well. And then you look out onto the golf course. So this is hole number 11. So you have a picturesque view of the tee boxes right out front here, water view, and then you can see in the distance the green area there.